Yo, what is up everybody? Hope you guys are having a fantastic day, and in today's video I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can temporarily deactivate Snapchat account. So before starting this video, be sure to hit that like and subscribe button with notification on so you guys can get notified once our new video releases. So let's start this video without any further ado. So watch this video until the end if you guys want to know how you guys can deactivate your Snapchat account, and follow my steps. So the first step is go to your profile. Once you're in your profile, click on the setting icon, and after clicking on the setting icon, scroll down until you see help center like this. Over here where it says I need help, click on it, and you can go on this search bar over here and click on search for delete my account. Now remember, don't worry, we're not gonna delete it. Once you come over here, you can click on account portal, and after you come over here, enter your username, and after entering your username, enter your password over here and click on continue. So as you guys can see, account deactivated. Now remember, after you do this, you need to log into your account within 30 days, because if you do not log into your account within 30 days, your account will be banned. So just remember this process. Log into your account within 30 days, and then your account will be reactivated again, and you can just follow these steps and deactivate your account for 30 days again. So just remember that you need to log in within 30 days or your account is deleted. There is no other way to deactivate your account. This is the only way. As you guys can see, account deactivated. So that's basically it. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to hit that like and subscribe button with notification on. And if you guys have any question related with this video, feel free to comment down below. We'll answer you guys and help you solve your problem, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye bye, peace out, have a nice day.